Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're looking at some essential parts for anyone flying the popular DJI FPV drone. Specifically, these are replacement motor arms designed to get your drone back in the air if one of its limbs takes a hit or simply wears out over time. These particular arms come from the brand CHICHIYANG and are made specifically as accessories for the DJI FPV RC drone. When you're flying a drone, especially one as dynamic as the FPV model, accidents can happen, and the arms are often vulnerable points. Having reliable replacements on hand is incredibly important. These arms are described as being made from high-quality materials, which is exactly what you want for a critical structural component of your drone. Reliability and durability are key factors here, ensuring that once installed, these arms can withstand the stresses of flight and potential impacts. The set includes arms for all positions: front left, front right, rear left, and rear right. This means you're covered no matter which arm needs replacing. They come in black, matching the standard look of the DJI FPV drone. The description highlights that they are a wonderful replacement for old or broken drone motor arms, suggesting they are designed to fit seamlessly and function just like the originals. One of the most appealing aspects mentioned is the ease of installation. For drone pilots who might not be expert technicians, a straightforward replacement process is a huge plus. Getting your drone repaired quickly and easily minimizes downtime, allowing you to get back to flying as soon as possible. Coupled with the promise of a long service life, these replacement arms aim to be a lasting solution rather than a temporary fix. While the listing includes some details about the DJI FPV drone itself, like OcuSync 3.0 connectivity and MP4 video format, those features are inherent to the drone and not the replacement arms. The focus here is purely on the quality, fit, and function of the arms as spare parts. They are designed to restore the drone's structural integrity and motor mounting points. In summary, if you own a DJI FPV drone and are looking for reliable replacement motor arms, these CHICHIYANG arms appear to be a solid option. They are made from durable materials, designed for a precise fit, cover all four arm positions, and are noted for being easy to install and having a long service life. They serve the crucial purpose of getting a grounded drone back into the sky by replacing damaged or worn-out arms effectively.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.